What's up, guys? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Welcome to Science by PK. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to a place that few people have experienced firsthand, the International Space Station, or ISS. Picture a giant spacecraft floating up high above Earth, serving as home and a science lab for astronauts from across the globe. It's a marvel of human ingenuity, and today we're going to explore it and share this adventure with you, friends. So let's keep exploring about science together. Imagine a colossal spaceship the size of a football field, orbiting our planet at 25 miles above the surface, traveling as fast as 17,000 miles per hour. That completes one trip around the Earth every 90 minutes. That means the astronaut aboard the ISS witnesses 16 sunrises and sunsets every single day. How cool is that? Now the ISS isn't only owned by one country. It's a team effort from NASA, from the US, Roscosmos from Russia, JAXA from Japan, ESA from Europe, and CSA from Canada all work together. It's not just a space station, it's a symbol of what humanity could achieve if we all work together. But let's admit that you arrive on the ISS. You'd first dock your spacecraft, or maybe a SpaceX Dragon, on a Russian Kozloid. You enter through the docking module, and boom, you're inside. Floating through the interconnecting to model feels like stepping into a sci-fi movie. First, let's go to headquarters. Forget your cozy bed at home. Here, astronauts sleep in pods about the size of a closet. Inside, they zip themselves into sleeping bags and float while they sleep. Because, well, there's no gravity. It's like camping in space with family photos, books, and tablets tucked into their pods for a touch of home. Next up is the kitchen, or as close as you can get to one in space. Meals come pre-packaged in packages, often freeze-dried or vacuum-sealed to eat. Astronauts add water and heat it up and dig in. Fun fact, did you know that ice cream for astronauts can last over 3 years? Since gravity can't hold things down, they use the Velcro or magnets to keep the utensils and food in place, so it just doesn't float everywhere. Fun fact, salt and pepper come in liquid form because powder would just float everywhere. Imagine sneezing salt into zero gravity. Now let's float into the science labs. Here is where the magic happens. Astronauts conduct experiments you can't do on Earth. For example, study how plants grow in microgravity, testing cutting edge of a medical treatments, even explore how space changes the human body. Did you know astronauts actually grow taller in space? Yep, with no gravity compressing their spines, they stretch about 2 inches. Speaking of incredibility size, let's visit the cupola. This is a massive window that offers breathtaking views of Earth. Imagine looking down and seeing swirl clouds, endless oceans, and glowing cities at night. Many astronauts say this is a view of life changing and a reminder of how small and interconnected we are on this pale blue dot. Life on ISS isn't all work. Though to stay healthy, astronauts exercise for 2 hours daily. They use treadmills with straps and resistance machines that mimic weightlifting without gravity. Muscles and bones weaken, so staying active is essential. Now let's tackle common questions. Go to the bathroom in space. The ISS toilet uses airflow to guide waste, and here's the fascinating part. Even urine gets recycled into drinking water. That's all about conserving resources because every drop counts in space. Powering this incredible station are enormous solar panels. If you spread them out, they would cover a soccer field. These panels collect energy from the sun to keep the ISS running. Combined with the advanced recycling system for fun, air, and water, The ISS is like a self-sustaining spaceship. Despite the excitement on the life of ISS, it's busy. Astronauts' schedules are packed with experiments, maintenance, exercises, and even educational calls to inspire the next generation of scientists. But they do have some downtime to watch movies, listen to music, or video call loved ones. When it's time to head back to Earth, astronauts board a spacecraft for the journey home. Re-entering Earth's gravity is tough. Imagine feeling like your body weighs double than what it used to. That's why astronauts undergo weeks of physical therapy to regain strength. The ISS isn't just a science lab or home. It's a glimpse of our future, helping us prepare for the next big steps, sending humans to Mars and building bases on Moon. It's a symbol of what's possible when we work together for a big dream. Thank you for joining us in this crazy theory of the ISS. If you love exploring uh, the International Space Station and other really interesting space theories, comment them down below. And as always, like the video, and we'll see you in the next one.